Ever opened your car door or stepped into your home and noticed stubborn crumbs, dust, or dirt that just won't go away? A high-quality handheld vacuum cleaner can quickly bring your space back to a clean, like new condition in minutes. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best car vacuum cleaners available right now, carefully selected based on their suction power, portability, battery life, and overall ease of use. Whether you're tackling tight corners, pet hair, or everyday mess, there's a perfect option here for you. If you want to check the latest prices or learn more about each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. SUITU Car Vacuum Cleaner. Picture this. You get into your car after a long day. There's dust on the dashboard, crumbs in the seats, maybe a bit of sand stuck in the corners, and you just don't feel like dealing with it. You tell yourself you'll clean it later, but later never really comes. That's exactly the kind of situation where this little SUITU Car vacuum quietly becomes a lifesaver. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. It's small, lightweight, almost feels too simple to be powerful. And honestly, that's what makes it surprising. The moment you turn it on, you realize this isn't just another weak handheld vacuum. It's actually built to do real work. The suction is strong enough to pull in sand, dust, tiny stones, even those annoying hair strands that stick to your seats. It's the kind of power you don't expect from something this compact. And because it uses a high-speed brushless motor, it doesn't just clean the surface. It gets into those tight corners where dirt usually hides. What really makes it feel practical in everyday life is how easy it is to use. No wires, no complicated setup. You just pick it up, press a button, and start cleaning. And when you're done, there's no messy process either. You tap the one-touch dust release, and it empties instantly without getting your hands dirty. That small detail actually makes a big difference, especially if you clean your car often. There's also a built-in light, which sounds like a small feature until you try cleaning under your seats or inside dark corners. Suddenly, you can actually see what you're doing, and you realize how much dirt you've been missing all this time. And it's not just for your car. You can use it at home, on your desk, keyboard, sofa, even those small spaces where a big vacuum just doesn't make sense. It's one of those tools that quietly becomes part of your routine. Now, something people really care about: the real experience. One user, a lorry driver in the UK, mentioned they were skeptical at first because of the price. But after using it daily in their truck, they were genuinely impressed with how well it handled dirt and how solid it felt. Another customer called it cost-effective and said the quality exceeded expectations. And someone else said they charged it right out of the box and it worked perfectly from the first use. That kind of feedback tells you something important. It's not just about features on paper. It actually performs in real life. But before you decide, there are a couple things to think about. This is a portable vacuum, so it's designed for convenience, not for deep cleaning an entire house like a full-size machine. If you're expecting industrial-level power, that's not the goal here. What it does offer is quick, efficient cleaning whenever and wherever you need it. Also, battery life matters. It's great for short, regular cleaning sessions, but if you're planning long, heavy-duty use, you'll want to keep it charged and ready. At the end of the day, this vacuum isn't trying to replace big machines. It's solving a different problem: the small, everyday messes that we usually ignore because cleaning them feels like too much effort. And that's really where it shines. It turns "I'll clean it later" into "I'll just do it now." And that alone makes your space feel better, cleaner, and more under control. Number 4. SZUK Zero Twin Max Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. You know that moment when you open your car door and instantly regret it? Dust on the seats, crumbs in the corners, maybe a little sand from your last trip, and somehow it always feels worse when you're in a hurry. That's exactly the kind of situation where something like the SZUK C0112 Max Wireless Car Vacuum actually starts to make sense. Imagine this. You're about to head out, maybe pick someone up, and instead of stressing about the mess, you just grab this small handheld vacuum from your glove box or trunk. No wires, no setup, just press a button and it's ready to go. That's really where this vacuum shines. It's built for real-life convenience, not just specs on paper. What surprised me first is the suction. For something this compact, it's genuinely powerful. Whether it's fine dust, pet hair, or even those annoying snack crumbs stuck between seats, it handles them without needing multiple passes. And the fact that it has 3 different speed levels actually makes a difference. You're not always blasting full power. You can go lighter for quick cleanups or max it out when things get messy. Another thing that stands out is how versatile it is. This isn't just for your car. You can use it around the house, on your sofa, keyboard, dining table, even tight corners where a regular vacuum just won't reach. It almost feels like one of those tools you didn't realize you needed until you start using it everywhere. The battery life is also worth mentioning. With a 6,000 mAh capacity, it doesn't die on you after a few minutes like cheaper models. You can actually get through a proper cleaning session. And charging is simple. Just a Type-C cable. The same one you probably already use for your phone. Now what really makes this feel like a smart buy is hearing from people who've actually used it. A lot of users mention how surprisingly strong it is. Some even say it feels more powerful than expected for the size. Others love the extra attachments and filters, and the fact that it even doubles as an air pump for inflating things like swim rings or air mattresses. That's a nice bonus you don't usually get with car vacuums. Of course, it's not perfect, and it's only fair to talk about that too. If you use it continuously for a long time on the highest setting, it can heat up and shut off temporarily. That's actually a built-in safety feature, but it does mean you might need to take short breaks during heavy cleaning. For quick jobs, though, it's not really an issue. So, who is this really for? If you're someone who likes keeping your car clean without putting in a lot of effort, or you just want something quick and reliable for small messes at home, this fits really well. It's not trying to replace a full-size vacuum, it's trying to make your daily life easier. And honestly, it does that pretty well. At the end of the day, it comes down to this: convenience, portability, and surprisingly strong performance in a small package. If those are things you care about, this little vacuum might end up being one of those tools you use way more than you expected. Number 3. CENRR Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. There's something oddly frustrating about a messy car. It's not always a big mess either. It's the tiny things. A bit of dust on the dashboard, crumbs hiding in the seat corners, maybe some dirt you didn't even notice yesterday. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. And the problem is, most of us don't want to pull out a big vacuum or spend 20 minutes cleaning. You just want something quick, something easy. That's where the CENRR Portable Car Vacuum really starts to feel like it belongs in your everyday routine. Think about those moments when you're about to leave the house. You open your car door, notice the mess, and instead of ignoring it, you just grab this small device, turn it on, and within a couple of minutes, everything looks clean again. No cables, no hassle. That kind of simplicity is what makes people actually use it regularly. Now let's talk about performance, because that's what really matters. For a vacuum this small, the suction is honestly impressive. It handles dust, pet hair, food crumbs, even those stubborn bits in tight corners. And since it has 3 power levels, you're not stuck using full power all the time. You can adjust it depending on what you're cleaning, which helps save battery and makes it more practical. One feature that really stands out is the green dust detection light. It sounds simple, but it completely changes how you clean. You suddenly start noticing dirt you would have missed before, especially in darker areas like under seats or along edges. It makes the cleaning feel more precise, almost satisfying. But what makes this device even more interesting is that it's not just a vacuum. It can blow air, inflate items like airbeds or swimming rings, and even help with vacuum sealing storage bags. So instead of buying multiple tools, you're getting one compact device that can handle all of that. It's the kind of versatility that actually comes in handy more often than you expect. Battery life is another strong point. It comes with a large capacity battery, and there's a clear power display so you always know how much charge you have left. Plus, the Type-C charging makes it super convenient. You can charge it almost anywhere, even in your car. What really makes this feel like a safe choice, though, is the feedback from people who've already used it. A lot of users mention how strong the suction is compared to other handheld vacuums they've tried. One person even dropped it from a height onto gravel, and it still worked perfectly, which says a lot about its build quality. Others appreciate the multiple functions and how useful it is beyond just cleaning the car. That said, it's not completely perfect. Some users notice that the small light attachment can be a bit loose and might need a simple fix to stay in place. It's a minor issue, but definitely something to keep in mind. So, if you're someone who likes keeping things clean but doesn't want the effort that usually comes with it, this vacuum makes a lot of sense. It's designed for real life, quick cleanups, small spaces, and everyday convenience. At the end of the day, it's not just about having a clean car. It's about having a tool that makes cleaning feel easy enough that you actually do it. And once you get used to that, it's hard to go back. Number 2, SUITU Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. There's a point where the mess in your car or room isn't bad, but it's just enough to bother you every time you see it. A little dust on the dashboard, crumbs in the seat corners, maybe some hair stuck on the sofa. You keep telling yourself you'll clean it later, but later never really comes. That's the kind of situation where something like this SUITU handheld vacuum actually fits in naturally. It doesn't feel like a big appliance you have to prepare for. It's more like a grab-and-go tool. You pick it up, press the button, and start cleaning instantly. No wires getting in your way, no heavy machine to carry around. It's simple, and that simplicity is what makes you use it more often. What stands out right away is how capable it feels for its size. It's small, but it doesn't feel weak. Everyday mess like dust, crumbs, and small debris, it handles that without much effort. It's especially useful in tight spots, car seats, corners, between cushions, places where bigger vacuums usually struggle. And then there's the LED light. At first, it sounds like a small feature, but once you use it, you realize how helpful it is. It lights up those dark areas where dirt hides, under seats, behind furniture, inside corners. You start noticing things you normally miss, and that actually makes your cleaning feel more complete. Another thing that makes it interesting is the blower function. Instead of only sucking in dirt, you can switch modes and blow dust out of hard-to-reach areas. It's surprisingly useful for things like keyboards, air vents, or even small gaps in your car where dust gets stuck. Battery life is decent for quick tasks. With the built-in rechargeable battery and Type-C charging, it's easy to keep it powered up. You don't need to think too much about charging. It fits into your routine, just like your phone does. It also comes with different attachments, which makes it more flexible. Whether you're cleaning a sofa, a table, your car interior, or even inflating something small, it adapts pretty easily. It's not just stuck doing one job. Now, if you look at what people are actually saying after using it, there's a clear pattern. Many users like how compact and convenient it is. They mention that it's perfect for small, quick cleaning tasks, and that the extra features, like the blower and attachments, make it more useful than expected. At the same time, there are a few honest downsides. Some users feel the battery could last longer if you're doing extended cleaning, and a few mention that the grip or handle design isn't the most comfortable for long use. So it's worth thinking about how you plan to use it. If you're expecting a heavy-duty vacuum for deep cleaning your entire house, this probably isn't it. But if you want something quick, portable, and easy to use for everyday mess, then it fits that role really well. In the end, it's one of those tools that quietly becomes part of your routine. You don't plan to use it much, but then you find yourself reaching for it more often than you expected, and that's usually a good sign. Number 1. Xiaomi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiaomi Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is designed for quick, everyday cleaning, perfect for your car, desk, keyboard, and those hard-to-reach corners that most people usually ignore. What makes it really interesting is how something so small can still feel so capable. It delivers around 13,000 PA of suction power, which is strong enough to lift dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even debris stuck deep in tight gaps. It's powered by a brushless motor, so the suction remains stable instead of weakening over time like many cheaper alternatives. In real-life use, that actually makes a difference. One customer mentioned that it instantly picks up hair and light dust without any effort, especially from keyboards and car seats. Another user pointed out that it works best for small cleaning tasks like desks, electronics, or light messes around the house. But it's not meant for large cleaning jobs. That's an important thing to understand before buying. The design is another strong point. It's lightweight, around half a kilo, so you can easily use it with one hand without feeling tired. Since it's cordless and runs on a built-in rechargeable battery, you don't have to deal with cables at all. On a full charge, it provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, which is usually enough for quick daily cleaning sessions. It also comes with a simple one-click dust disposal system. That means you can empty the dust container without touching the dirt, making the whole process more hygienic and less messy. Another useful feature is the set of attachments included with it. These different nozzles help you clean tight corners, flat surfaces, upholstery, and even car interiors. So whether it's between sofa cushions or inside air vents, it stays practical in different situations. However, it's not perfect, and buyers should keep that in mind. Some users mention that the charging time takes around 3 hours, which can feel a bit long if you need it quickly. And while the suction is impressive for small tasks, it's clearly not designed to replace a full-size vacuum cleaner. It works best as a quick clean tool rather than for deep or heavy cleaning. Still, many users describe it as a premium compact device that does its job very well, especially for cars and everyday touch-ups. One user even mentioned that it feels slightly heavy for its size, but that extra weight also gives it a more solid and well-built feel. In the end, this is a product made for convenience. If you're someone who doesn't want to drag out a big vacuum cleaner for small messes, or you need something quick for your car, desk, or electronics, this type of vacuum can make your daily cleaning much easier. It's not meant to replace your main vacuum. It's meant to handle those small, annoying messes instantly and effortlessly. And that's exactly where it fits best. So, those were the 5 best car vacuum cleaners you can buy right now. Whether you need something compact for quick cleanups or a powerful machine for deep cleaning, there's an option here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.